Was the NYPD telling the truth when it blamed a court-issued gag order for the police department not testifying at a city council hearing? Today, lawyers suing the NYPD say there is no gag order, and a city council member is calling the NYPD deceitful for using that excuse. The I-Team's Chris Glorioso joins us now from the newsroom to sort this one out. Chris.
Well, the police department was very clear in its public statement. The NYPD said a gag order prevented cops from talking to lawmakers about the controversial strategic response group. But there is a problem. The NYPD has not produced any such gag order, and lawyers opposing the police say that's because there isn't one.
Before a hearing, and we hope to see the NYPD show up to work today.
City council members have repeatedly asked the NYPD to come and talk about the controversial Strategic Response Group, or SRG.
The NYPD has an obligation to answer lawmakers' questions.
This week's hearing was packed with activists who say they've been wrongly arrested or brutalized by the SRG.
This is absolutely unacceptable.
But despite two prior postponements, police brass did not show up, and some council members were livid.
How dare they give the middle finger to this body and go about their normal business like nothing is wrong?
When reporters asked why police skipped out on the hearing, an NYPD spokesperson sent this email. It says the court has issued a gag order, and that means the NYPD's expert witnesses remain barred from speaking about the SRG. Civil rights attorney Wiley Stecklow says there's a major falsehood in that official statement.
There is no gag order.
Stecklow is one of several lawyers suing over what he says are unlawful arrests by the SRG during the 2020 protests following George Floyd's death. He's now filed this letter with federal judge Colleen McMahon asking her to order city lawyers to identify this supposed gag order or for the court to clarify that there is no such gag order.
The city council is doing oversight of the NYPD. It's part of the city council's responsibility. The NYPD cannot just ignore it, and that's what they're doing.
When the I-Team asked the NYPD for a copy of the gag order, the department did not produce one, instead issuing an updated statement saying the NYPD was referring to settlement negotiations and the court's rules that require all parties in those mediations sign confidentiality agreements.
Shame on them for not showing up.
But lawyers, including some on city council, say standard confidentiality about monetary settlements is far different from a court-issued gag order. Brooklyn Councilmember Jennifer Gutierrez said the NYPD's excuse for avoiding her tough questions and those from other lawmakers was deceitful.
I think it is deceitful. That's not what it is, right? You're choosing not to come. You're choosing not to show your face. You're choosing not to be transparent. You're choosing not to be held accountable. And that is very different from a court-ordered gag order.
For this story, we reached out to the Attorney General, Letitia James, who is also a party to litigation over the NYPD's SRG. Her office confirmed there is no gag order in this case. The city's law department did not answer questions about the gag order claim, instead referring us back to the NYPD. This week, the law department did agree to a proposed settlement that would pay an estimated $4 to $6 million to be divided among hundreds of Bronx protesters arrested by the SRG. The NYPD admitted no fault in that case, but said there have been reforms in how the department now deals with crowds and civil unrest. Back to you.
Okay, Chris Glorioso in the newsroom. Thank you, Chris.